My organization skills aren't great. As far as following up on those leads aren't great, which is why I wanted to sign up for this and learn how to get better at it. Is there anything, if I'm on my phone, like a lead generation portal that you guys could share with me that you guys either use, that you swear by, or anything? And I apologize if Matt, if you have one within the university that I'm just not using, but something that I can just kind of plug and play, put something in that will help me, stay accountable on my stuff.
Are you saying like a CRM that will keep track of? I'll open it up to anybody else. The one that we use at my companies is Pipedrive. It's pretty affordable. The cool thing about Pipedrive is you do not need, and no offense to Salesforce, I think there's somebody that sells it that's on, I don't know if they're on this session. Salesforce is awesome. I'm not saying anything bad about anything, but you don't need to hire like Sean from Salesforce to come in and build your iteration. It requires no IT. And I think you can buy it for yourself for like 29 bucks. I don't know what the price is for one person. It's not expensive. You can set it up like, this is probably the wrong wording, but a Trello board almost, to where it's like this column, and that's where, and I reference those type of columns in the prospecting course, but that's the one I would recommend. Does anybody else have a CRM? Can you unmute yourself and yell at it? One that you like?
I use Pipedrive too, and it's completely customizable. I actually have mine set up according to the steps of the ESP. It's fantastic.
Yeah, mine are set up to ESP too.
Thank you, guys.
I drive as well.
GoHighLevel specifically. So GoHighLevel has everything. You can connect all your social media and have a social planner and have your own pipeline curated to whatever you want it to be. Basically, you can post across everything. You could schedule posts every day. So like if you're looking for like big marketing, I would look into that. It's got everything. It's like 200 bucks, 300 bucks.
Not bad. So Pipedrive and GoHighLevel will be the two you'd look at.
What can you do to prove to people that Easton University can help them double their income in 90 days?
I'll prove it right now. Closing Masterclass. I'll buy it for you, 300 bucks. Link in my bio. I will show you how to close. This will double your closing percentage. Not even 90 days, it will double it within 30 days. Now, here's the thing, is your income gonna double? Probably not, because you still need to prospect, you still need to put those deals in your pipeline. But if you click the link in my bio, you will learn how to close right here, right now, and you're gonna close those deals that are already in your pipeline.